Hello and welcome to my free training, How to Make Money Online with Affiliate Marketing Without Chasing Family and Friends. My name is James Beal and I've been in the online space for about 5 years now. First couple of years, I basically hibernated and didn't do much with my business, didn't really dig into the trainings for the courses that I purchased, and just did not apply myself. So I really end up diving into this stuff and start taking it a little bit more serious, guys. And that's when I started to get results. And I want to basically share that with you today. Going to show you some income proof on the results that I was able to get and how you can do the same, guys. How to make money online with affiliate marketing without chasing family and friends. Before we get started, I have some pictures here that I'd like you to take a look at. And it's basically, this is me and my wife on the beach. This is me. I'm a drummer of 30 plus years. And here's me hanging out with a couple of top earner, rock star, entrepreneur, affiliate marketers, guys. And what I want to stress is mindset. There's a lot of people that come on in this industry, and the first thing they want to know is what's the big secret? Tell me exactly what I have to do to start making a 10K month. How can I make $1 million on the internet? What's the big secret? What did I do? And they go out and they follow all these gurus that's driving these expensive cars and taking screenshots of these mansions that they're really just renting anyway. But I'm here today to give you some down to earth uh, social media marketing strategies that really works, guys. So back to the picture here. It is with my lovely wife Lorraine here. We've been married for 24 years, and guys, if I did not have the mindset back then that I was capable of, I felt like I deserved a special lady like this in my life, I wouldn't have asked her to marry me, guys. And that's where your mindset comes in. You have to have your mindset and believe in yourself because nobody else will. Same thing here with this picture here. This is me. I'm a drummer of 30 plus years in the industry. I had God given talent, but talent will only, actually, anybody that's in the business, talent will only take you so far. You have to have great work ethics and motivation and your mindset. Back to mindset again. I had to believe I could do this, to hang out with celebrities and without, freaking out and thinking that, hey, I can't do this. But I had to develop a mindset for that. And here's another picture. It's just me hanging out with these two guys. This is Nick Anderson and Kyle Lee Weber. They call themselves the Run Guys. And these guys are beasts in the industry, guys. When I tell you that these guys are phenomenal marketers, that's exactly what they are. And I got to hang out with them, and I was able to take in a lot of golden nuggets, and I'm going to share some of those with you here today. And I guess you're saying, what does these have to do with me making any money online? Well, it has everything to do because if you don't get this part right with the mindset, nothing else is going to work, guys. Now, I want to go ahead and introduce you to my 3 step marketing framework. This framework was introduced to me by some fellow entrepreneurs, mentors, I want to call them. And it's a simple process that gets real results. It's a 3 step marketing framework that I'm going to take a deep dive, and give you all the details on how this process works. phase one of the framework. You have to build your audience. I see too many beginners that come on here, they go on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and they take their link, they take their company links, and they start spamming it to all of these people. Buy my stuff, buy my stuff, buy my stuff. I have the best stuff online. I have the best stuff online. And guys, that is the wrong way to do that. And I'm going to show you the right way to do that. You want to build your audience, and you want to engage with your audience by sharing valuable information that your audience really wants and needs to move on. And that's where you come in at. You provide that information to your audience over and over, okay? And this is how you're going to be set yourself up to be able to make an offer to your audience once you have engaged with them, shared information, and asked questions and find out whether are their needs, wants, and whether they're struggling with, whether they're pain points, and you provide that value, and then you make a solution of you make an offer that's going to be the solution to their problems, and you earn a commission for that. Okay. Like I said, here's phase two of the framework. You want to build, okay, engage, and sell. Build, engage, sell. And the process that I take to do that is I offer my audience a free gift, okay? That could be in the form of an ebook, PDF, cheat sheet, video, however you want to do that. But you offer them a free gift with some information that they want. For instance, if your audience is weight loss, you can provide a tip, 3 tips on how to lose 5 pounds within 1 to 2 weeks. Do you think that would be valuable to your audience? Yes, you darn right it would. They would jump all over that. And once they get that free gift in exchange for their email, that's when you start, that's when you can start to engage with your audience once they're on your email list by providing value, helping them to overcome objections, sharing success stories, testimonials, inspiring them and motivating them to move forward, guys, to help them out with their solutions. That's when you come into play and make an offer, and reciprocity kicks in. And reciprocity is simply when you offer or give so much value, they feel that they owe you something in return, and that's how you make your sales, guys, and you earn commissions. So this is phase two of the build, engage, and sell. Now here's just a little income proof, and here's my disclaimer. This is my results, my winnings off of my work. I don't know what your work ethics are. If you're going to take any action at all, you may or may not make anything. I don't know. What are you going to do with this, guys? So I have to put that disclaimer out there. Anyway, you can see some of the results that I've had here. And it's been a really nice journey. I'll tell you, years ago, I didn't think that I would be capable of doing anything like this. But it wasn't until I actually picked up the information that I purchased and took a deep dive into the information, guys. Again, this is my winnings from the work that I have done. Here's my number one recommendation on how to make money online with affiliate marketing. Discover how I started an online business that earns high ticket commissions, marketing valuable products. that people already want to buy. It's your chance to start your 15-day challenge today. And I'm going to share that with you in just a little bit. First of all, before we go there, I'd like to share, if it's going to let me go there or not. I have some testimonials here. David says, a conscious, very well explained system that goes into such more depth about the training than anything I have ever tried before. Simon says, excellent training, even better people. Angela says, this is a thorough and easy to follow instructions. The training is awesome and is delivered very well by David. My husband is a skeptic, and after watching, he already wants to continue training and feels a kinship with how personal Dave is. And this goes on and on. There's plenty more of those guys. But the big question here today is, are you up to the challenge? Legendary marketer, guys. Discover how to start earning high ticket commissions, marketing valuable products that people already want to buy. Go ahead and start your 15-day challenge today. And once you complete the challenge, you may or may not be accepted, but it depends on if you fully complete the challenge, guys. So go ahead and click on the link, and I'll see you on the inside.